and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Look Incredible March Deluxe subscription box. This actually retails for £35, but it's got £93 worth of products in this box. Every single month they have 4 to 5 high-end products within their subscription box, and today I'm going to be showing you what's inside the March one. I did get this kindly gifted to me from Look Incredible, but that never ever impacts on my opinions of the box. You just all know by now. But before we do get into it, I just want to let you know that I am Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. It really does help my channel out, and we're getting so close to 9,000 subscribers now. Fingers crossed it'll happen soon. And with everything that is happening in the world right now, I'm not going to mention the C word that is kind of on everyone's lips. I want this to be like a safe space and just kind of like an escape for people. So if you want to see more videos from me, then don't forget to hit that notification bell because I am going to be uploading some extra videos. I do normally upload on Sundays, Wednesdays and Fridays at 6 o'clock UK time, but I am going to be doing some extra videos as well. Let's just get straight into what is in the March subscription box. So the brand of the month this month is Morphe. This is their 9 Eye So Iconic Artistry palette, and this has 9 eyeshadows. It retails for £12, and it just looks like this. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to put this into a giveaway for you guys, just to say thank you so much. I am wanting to do more giveaways, but all my giveaway stuff are at the new house. I was like halfway between like moving houses, so I'm going to try and get some stuff that I've got currently in this bedroom, and try and put a little giveaway prize together for you. So the first thing is definitely going to be this Morphe palette. So make sure that you hit subscribe. That's going to be one of the requirements to enter the giveaway, and the giveaway will be coming very soon. If it's already up, I will leave it linked down below. Another brand that is really common in this kind of subscription box, which I absolutely love, this is the Tarte Lash Paint Mascara. This one retails for £21. Like I said, this box itself is £35. All of the stuff in this box is worth £93 though. Really excited to try that. Let me know if you want to do like a first impressions review on it, because I'll totally do that for you. Next up we have a product from Shiseido, I think that's how you pronounce it. I got the Lacquer Rouge. You can either get a lip gloss, a Lacquer Rouge or a rouge lipstick. All of them retail for £20. This is kind of the colour of the one that I've got. I'm assuming it being like a Lacquer Rouge, it's like a liquid lipstick kind of thing, I think. But yeah, it retails for £20, which is just crazy. And the last product, which is a bit of like a duo, this is the... Oh, I'm going to try and pronounce it. I'm just going to show you. This is what it looks like. This is a Soothing Skin Balm Duo. 220 millilitres, both of them each. These actually retail for £40, which is like actually crazy. It's good for dry, cracked skin, dry hands and cuticles, cracked heels and feet. Cracked heels and feet, not dracked. And it's actually good for like baby sensitive skin as well. So it just says apply frequently, and just obviously don't use it on any kind of open wounds or anything, but it just helps with dry skin. I think I'm gonna keep one for me to try, especially my feet. Like my feet are icky, and I'm gonna give one to Blake for his psoriasis as well to see whether it helps with that. So yeah, just say dermatological skincare. Why can't I ever pronounce things in videos? So yeah, that retails for £40. So that's everything that is in the March Deluxe Edition subscription box from Look Incredible. If you do want to check it out, I will leave it linked down below. But if you tweet them and ask them, like, if I bought the box now, would it be the March one or the April one? They'll reply to you and let you know, and then you can know like whether you want to purchase the March one, if you want to get these products, you know whether you should buy them then, or whether it's going to be the April box and a totally different set of products. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed it, and I shall see you in my next video. Remember to turn that notification bell on, because I am going to be doing some extra videos throughout the week as well. Thank you so much for watching. Love you so much. Bye.